The Invisible and Other Drawings, The Art of Making the Unseen Visible. What if an artist could draw something that you cannot actually see? That is the fascinating idea behind The Invisible and Other Drawings, a drawing series by Brazilian visual artist Henrique de Freina. At first glance, these works may look like unusual sketches or abstract drawings, but the real concept goes deeper. Instead of simply drawing objects that exist in front of us, the series makes us think about things that are difficult or even impossible to see. The word invisible immediately changes the way we look at the artwork. We start asking questions. What exactly are we supposed to see? Is the drawing showing an object, an idea, a memory, or something that exists only in our imagination? This is what makes the series interesting. The drawings don't necessarily give us one obvious answer. They leave space for the viewer to create their own interpretation. Henrique de Freina is a visual artist based in São Paulo, Brazil, and his portfolio includes several other drawing series alongside The Invisible and Other Drawings. Behance. His work shows how simple lines and forms can communicate something much bigger than what appears on the paper, and perhaps that is the most powerful part of this series. Art doesn't always have to show us something clearly. Sometimes, the most interesting artworks are the ones that make us imagine what isn't there. The Invisible and Other Drawings challenges the basic idea of drawing. Instead of only representing what the eyes can see, it encourages us to think about what the mind can imagine. Because sometimes, the invisible isn't really nothing. Sometimes, it's simply something we haven't learned how to see yet.